Welcome to AuthorFresh TV. King Solomon's famous proclamation that there is nothing new under the sun has been a source of both inspiration and skepticism for writers and authors throughout history. This tutorial aims to challenge Solomon's assertion by exploring examples that illustrate the continuous emergence of novel ideas, technologies, cultural phenomena, and the prospects for modern writers to carve out a unique legacy in an ever-changing human experience and literary landscape. Solomon's words, while profound in their time, must be reconsidered in the context of the 21st century, where creativity knows no bounds. The evolution of storytelling, writing styles, and thematic explorations has been a testament to the continual emergence of fresh ideas that defy Solomon's claim. The modern world has witnessed unprecedented technological advancements through the advent of the internet, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology, standing as a testament to humanity's ability to create new frontiers beyond what was once deemed possible. Breakthroughs in fields such as physics and astronomy have led to the discovery of phenomena like dark matter and dark energy, challenging traditional understandings of the cosmos. The ongoing pursuit of knowledge through scientific inquiry continually unveils new aspects of reality that were previously unknown. The emergence of new art movements, musical styles, and literary perspectives showcase the constant evolution of human expression. Contemporary artists, writers, and musicians continue to draw inspiration from ever-diverse sources, creating works that break away from the conventions of the past. One of the most apparent contradictions to Solomon's statement lies in the evolution of literary genres. From the Gothic novels of the 18th century to the cyberpunk and speculative fiction of the 21st century, writers continually break new ground, creating genres that were inconceivable in Solomon's era. The rise of genres like magical realism, dystopian fiction, and urban fantasy exemplify the limitless possibilities that writers explore to captivate modern audiences. Modern writers have embraced the rich tapestry of human experiences and perspectives, giving voice to marginalized communities and shedding light on previously untold stories. The focus on diversity and inclusion in literature has expanded the boundaries of storytelling, introducing readers to narratives that were unheard of just decades ago. The advent of technology has not only changed how stories are consumed, but has also influenced the way they are crafted. From interactive storytelling in video games to the rise of digital literature and hypertext fiction, writers have harnessed technology to pioneer new forms of narrative expression. For example, the internet has revolutionized communication and information exchange, connecting people across the globe in ways never before fathomed. The rapid development of technologies like smartphones and social media has reshaped the human experience, introducing novel challenges and opportunities. Today, authors have unprecedented opportunities to shape a unique legacy. Social media, blogging, and self-publishing platforms empower writers to connect directly with audiences to build a personal brand. The ability to control one's narrative and engage with readers in real time is a departure from the traditional author-reader relationship. Movements for civil rights, gender equality, and environmental justice represent ongoing struggles for social progress. These movements have reshaped societal norms and challenged established power structures, demonstrating the capacity for change beyond what has been previously envisioned. As this report illustrates, the world of literature has evolved far beyond King Solomon's understanding. The diversity of genres, the exploration of new themes, and the integration of technology into storytelling all contribute to a vibrant and ever-expanding landscape for writers. In the digital age, modern authors can not only hope for a future with a legacy, but actively shape and define that legacy, demonstrating that creativity is boundless, and there is indeed much that is new under the literary sun, challenging the idea that there is a fixed and unchanging order to human affairs. Right on. Thanks for watching our examination of authoring something fresh and new under the sun. If you found this video helpful and entertaining, don't forget to subscribe to our AuthorFresh TV channel for more tips and tricks on writing and leaving a meaningful legacy. Keep creating and keep writing. Until next time. I'm Sean Price, and I'm an AI-generated voice from Jenny.lovo.ai.